Hi, my name is Dr. Girish Mude. I am a program director for MBA, BBA and marketing related program. Let me give you an idea how our programs are unique, relevant and industry ready. Marketing is not a skill, it's a mindset. Today, marketing has changed a lot. Right from an advertisement to a sales promotion, now you can see the artificial intelligence, data-driven decisions and other aspects of marketing. Marketing has evolved over a period of time. So does marketing education has to be. Our MBA and BBA programs are designed, conceptualized based on three strong pillars. First, industry-aligned curriculum. Our curriculum are blend with the new industry-relevant topics and themes. Right from artificial intelligence to consumer psychology to a data science, these all elements are integrated. In addition to that, our alumni and industry experts also equip this syllabus to a next level to make our student more industry ready. Our second pillar is experiential and hands-on learning. We believe marketing cannot be learned in a classroom. Hence, we ensure there would be hands-on experience through live workshops, simulations, immersion programs, and various activities. Our third pillar is strong career and placement support. We help our students to develop various skill sets which include soft skill, leadership and communication skills. In addition, we also provide a certification program from the LinkedIn Learning, EDX as well as Coursera. As a program director, my vision is very simple. I want to make our student more industry ready than the job ready. They should be future ready. Our student must be equipped to face new business challenges. We also have a degree plus experiential activity. These all actions and activity are making our student more robust, more acceptable into the industry. Here at MIT-WPU University School of Business, people can transform their dreams into a reality. We not only just nurture our student to be an industry experts, but we also believe that our student must make a fortune by starting an own business.